Hey guys, it's Eric Roberts at Worship the King, and today we're doing an easy strum through, very slow, easy strum through of Who You Say I Am. You know, this week is all about that song. I've got this chart right here. I showed you how to do the strumming pattern on the lessons, and I've got this free download. So follow along with this download. Also, this song is going to be in our new songbook, most likely. It is a great song, so go to worshiptheking.com. Before you do anything, subscribe, download your charts, and just so we can connect, just go through the checkout, get the free chart of Who You Say I Am. Now, we're going to be doing an easy strum through, the same pattern the whole way through in a medium tempo so you can follow along with me. Okay, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who am I that the highest king would welcome me? I was lost, but he brought me in. Oh, his love for me. Oh, his love for me. Whom the sun sets free. Oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am I free at last? He has ransomed me. His grace runs deep. While I was a slave to sin, Jesus died for me. Yes, he died for me. Whom the sun sets free. Oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. My Father, in my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. Here we go, bridge. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. We're doing all down. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. All down. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. Tag it. I am who you say I am. I am who you say I am. Whom the sun sets free. Oh, it's free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. My Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. All right, guys, there's the full song. We did the whole song, very simple pattern. If you need to learn each individual part, check the links in this video because I did those this week. We're doing those all week. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get all of these strum along videos. Very simply done. This is a great song. I love this song. Let me know how you feel about it. Give me the thumbs up and let me know how you did with this song. It's all the same pattern, and if you missed it, go back and check out the pattern videos that I did this week. God bless you guys.